Welcome to Trending Stock Tutorial. This is volume 1. Actually, we are having around 26 volumes I have planned. So this is the first volume. In this volume, I am going to give you a complete brief about this entire tutorial. So the coming days, whatever the volumes are coming, so I am giving you the summary about that. So kindly watch the complete video so you will get the complete idea. Please don't skip it. So we are going to discuss about the basics of stock market, and this will be a complete stock market tutorial for the beginners. So which was not given by any other YouTube channels or no one. So you can reach the trending stocks by typing in the address bar. You can type youtube.com/c/trending stocks 21. You can reach to the trending stocks channel, and kindly subscribe to my channel so you will get instant notifications on each uploads. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so you will receive all the notification which I am posting on the community tab. Usually the small updates you can see here. I am updating on the community tab, so you will receive the instant notification. And please don't forget to join to the membership plan. Once you join to the membership plan, you will receive all multi-bagger stocks recommendations I am posting on every week. So usually I will post minimum 4 multi-bagger stocks in my channel, so you will receive you can watch those videos, and you can enter to the stock, and you will gain that. Already I have given around 51 multi-bagger stock recommendation 2021, and all the stocks around 90% of the stock made 50% to 354%. Today also I was given one exit call around within the span of 3 months. The stock made around 354%. So you can watch that. Once you join, you can watch that exit call. You can find it on my community tab. Already I given, that is only for the members, and for the members you will get the priority reply will be available for the members. And you can see here the membership plans are available, and also the rate, and also what are the services available for each membership plan. There are Elite is available, Emerald is available, and also the Ruby is available. You can watch, you can see all the services I am providing for each category. So the best one you can choose it. I believe the Emerald one will be most suitable for retailers, and the Ruby will be most suitable for the traders. So you can choose any one of that. And please don't forget to once you enter to the membership plan, you can see here your membership length you can find here, and membership category you can find here. In case anytime if you want to modify your membership, you on the right hand side there will be a gear icon will be there. Just you can press there, and you can change the membership level. You can change it, either you can upgrade it or downgrade it. And please don't forget to share the channel, and please don't forget to share the videos, and please don't forget to like the videos. And if you are having any doubts or any queries, please don't forget to just comment it on the comment box, so I will try my best to reply to that. Now we are into the first volume out of 26. This is the first week video. You can see here in this video we are going to discuss about the introduction to the tutorial, and we are going to discuss overall summary about the tutorial and how the content of the tutorial will be. So we are going to discuss this, and maybe you will be having some queries. What are the frequency of these volumes? Because already I told that there will be 26 volumes, so every week there will be one volume will be there. Within that week you can watch that videos. And is it chargeable? No, it is not chargeable. This will be a free of cost service. And my main intention itself is to retailers to learn how to trade. Maybe you are trading since many years, but still you are making loss, and you are maybe I have seen that many people still they are entering to the penny stock, doesn't have any fundamental, and finally they are making the losses. So my main aim is that everyone want to make profit, everyone want to win in the stock market. That is my minimum requirement, and surely we will meet that. So please support me. So I am doing lot of research. I am putting lot of research to do this tutorial. So I need your support. And as I told you, I put lot of effort to make the content for this 26 volumes. Please don't copy that. So please don't do that. Please don't copy this. And can I translate the content, because currently all the volumes are in English, and please this is not allowed. Please don't translate my content on any other language, and this will be in English. Can I share the content? Yes, you will be able to share the content, and I need your support. Please share the content to everyone. You can share the link. Let everyone take the advantage of this tutorial, and please don't download the content, and please take the caution that content of this video is the property of Trending Stocks channel, and copying or modifying the content in any manner will be offensive. offensive. So you can see that our next volume, so already we are discussing our first volume, so this will be a complete introduction about this remaining 25 volumes. So our the second volume will be how to invest in Indian stock market. This will be a complete stock market tutorial for the beginners. And the third volume will be what are the basic rules to follow in stock market as an investor. This will be also another complete stock market tutorial for the beginners. And the third volume will be what are the basic rules to follow in the stock market as an investor, a complete stock market tutorial for the beginners. And the fourth one will be what is multi-bagger and how a beginner in stock market to start investment, because many people they doesn't know how to do the investment. Everyone they are doing the investment and finally they are losing their money. Just I am going to explain in this tutorial how. So each volume will be somewhere around 10 minutes to 20 minutes will be there. So within that time we will discuss about the subject, the entire subject with some past data. And kindly find the question. The content of this video is the property of Trending Stocks channel, and copying or modifying the content in any manner will be offensive. And in the volume 2 we will be discussing about how to invest in Indian stock market. This will be a complete stock market tutorial for the beginners. And the next volume will be what are the basic rules to follow in stock market as an investor. And the fourth one will be what is a multi-bagger stock and how a beginner in stock market to start investment. So we will discuss about that. And the next volume will be how can an investor avoid unwanted risk in the stock market. So everyone they are making the losses. So I will explain you everything. So what are the unwanted risk and how it will be involved in our stock market trading. I will explain you in very detail. And the next volume will be what is the compounded capital investment strategy in Indian stock market. And the seventh one will be what are the risks involved in the stock market compound investment strategy. Before I told that there are compound investment strategy is there, and I am telling you on the next volume we will discuss about the risk involved in that. So we will discuss that. And next one will be how to utilize and reinvest your earnings from the stock market. So it is very important that we have to utilize and we should reinvest our earnings from the stock market. So before I told you that the compound investment strategy and the risk, that's the reason we are making the another volume. So how we can utilize this money and we can reinvest that, how we should do that. And next volume we will discuss about what is the bonus issue and what is the split and the face value and what is the authorized share capital. So all these basic things we will discuss about the stock market. And the next volume we will discuss about how can a beginner in the stock market can become successful investor. So this part also we will explain you. And next volume, the 11th volume, we will discuss about what is the advantage and necessity of diversifying portfolio. This is a major mistake doing by most of the retailers. So I will explain you in very detail how we can diversify. And the next one will be on the 12th volume will be why the retail investors are making loss in the stock market. I told you that the compound investment and also the investment strategies, portfolio, so everything I told you. So here we are going to discuss why the retail investors are making the loss in stock market. And the next one we will discuss, the 13th volume will be why the beginners are making invested capital loss in Indian stock market. So that also I will explain you, because I told you that always we have to take decision in time. Even today if I want to take a decision means today itself I have to take. I should not regret that. So there should not be any regret feeling. So we will explain you all the details about all this thing. That means how we can protect our money, what we have earned from this thing from stock market, and how we can protect our capital from the stock market investment. So I will explain you that. And the next volume, the 14th volume will be why retail investors are losing money in intraday trade. Everyone knows about the intraday trade. It's a wild bet, because I am getting many comments. I am asking, sir, which stock I have to select tomorrow for the intraday. So usually I will say, please don't do that. Please don't do intraday trades. You will be able to make enough money from the short term and long term investment, and there are a lot of multi-bagger opportunities are there. Multi-fold returns are coming from the fundamentally strong stocks. Then why we should do this loss, and why we want to do this? This is not for a retail investor. So one day, maybe tomorrow, one day we will make the profit and the next day you will lose. So we don't want to do that. I will not recommend that. So we will explain everything about this thing, intraday trades, and why the investors are losing that. I will explain you the reason why it is losing, because we are saying that in the intraday money is getting lost. I will explain you the reason behind that. So in the 14th volume and in the 15th volume, we will discuss about which is the safest and best investment option, whether it is mutual fund or the equity. I will explain you, because many people they will say that mutual fund is the best option, and in case if someone asks me, I will say that it is equity, because in the equity there will be risk, but there are stocks which doesn't have any risk. It is better value than the mutual fund. I will explain you that, and in the 16th volume we will explain you about the pros and cons of the IPO subscriptions in Indian stock market. So usually the people they are asking, yesterday there was Zomato IPO was there. Many people they asked me, sir, shall I pick the Zomato in IPO? I said no, don't do. I will explain you the reason, what are the pros and what are the cons of IPO subscription in the Indian stock market. This is not European stock market. Currently we are in Indian stock market. In the Indian stock market, IPO subscription is risky. So I will explain you that on 16th volume, and on the 17th volume we will discuss that how to start investment in Indian stock market. So even to start an investment in stock market, we doesn't want to know anything. There are a lot of options are there. There are a lot of strategies are there, and that there are certain rules are there to follow. If you are doing this, then you can get succeeded without any knowledge. I will explain you that in very clear, in very detailed manner. So on the 17th volume and in the 18th volume, we will discuss about how to do the fundamental analysis of the stock and select a potential multi-bagger stock. So it is a big subject, so we will discuss about that. And on the 19th volume, we will discuss how to set up a good portfolio. This is a main concern of all the retail investors, even the old and new investors. Everyone having this concern is there. I will explain you in very detailed manner how we can set a detailed good portfolio. I will explain you that. This will be a good video. And next one will be, we will discuss on the 20th volume, we will discuss about how to invest your first 1 lakh rupees in Indian stock market. So this will be a continuation of the 19th volume of how to set up a portfolio. This will be a continuation video. So because this is a very lengthy subject, I will explain you in very detail, because after watching all this 26 volume, you will not make even a single rupees loss. I am sure, I am very confident, because you know that how perfect I am, how accurate I am in my stock market recommendations, because this is from my experience and I am sharing you my experience, because everyone, whatever the knowledge I am having, I am going to share. So as I told, we will discuss about investment. The first investment, how you should set up in stock market. That means even if it is maybe 10 lakhs you will be having, 5 lakhs you are having, 1 lakh you are having, or 50,000 you are having, whatever it may be. So just we will take a rough figure of 1 lakh and I will explain you. So if you are investing on 10 lakhs, you can multiply by 10, or if you are investing 50,000, you can divide by 2. So everything will be fine. So we will explain you. So whatever we are having in our pocket, so within that, how we can start a investment in share market and how we can set up a good portfolio. We will explain you that on volume number 20 and 19, and on volume number 21 we will discuss about which are the best 10 stock in Indian stock market for long time investment. So I will this is also a part of the previous volumes. Volume number 19, 20 and 21 will be the same subject itself we are going to discuss. That means the portfolio, setting up the portfolio. So because after watching all these 26 volumes, you should not do a mistake. That's the reason I am giving this complete detail about the Indian stock market, how you can succeed. I think this is the massive volume, so massive subject we are going to discuss about Indian stock market, which was not discussed by anyone else. So I need your complete support. I need you to share this thing. That means all the videos. So as I told you, I am spending lot of time for this to gather the informations and presenting to you. So I am not charging you anything for that. So I need your support. I am asking only your support. On the volume number 22, we are going to discuss about what are the basic factors to be considered while analyzing the stock. This is also another subject. We will discuss about that. That is also important subject. And next one also we will discuss about the volume number 23. We will discuss about how can we avoid unnecessary complication in analyzing a stock, because people talk about RE, PE, lot of things. These are unnecessary things, unwanted things. So I will explain you that what are the complications, unwanted complications, unwanted chart. Nothing is required. In few seconds you can understand on the thumb rule which whether it is good stock or bad stock. I will explain you that. So on the volume number 23, on volume number 24, I will explain you what are the most important factors while analyzing a stock. On volume number 24, we will discuss about what are the most important factors while analyzing a long-term multi-bagger stock. So there are difference between long-term multi-bagger and the short-term multi-bagger. So the pattern is different for both the stocks. I will explain you how we can analyze a long-term multi-bagger stock on volume number 24, and in the volume number 25 we will discuss about a short-term multi-bagger, how we can check the pattern, how we can analyze the pattern of short-term multi-bagger. That also I will explain you. So because this kind of information nobody will share you, so this is information, these are the data I collected from my many years experience, but I am sharing to you. So this is the reason I told you I need your support. And on the volume number 26 we will discuss about what are the few best wealth creators stock to hold for 2030. So another 9 years if you are holding means that should be a wealth creator. This is also a part of volume number 19, 20 and 21. I told you about the portfolio, arranging the portfolio. So this is also a part of that. So while we are completing all this 26 volume, so you will be a perfect investor. I am sure about that. So I need your support. So please share the channel. So kindly subscribe the channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so you will receive all the notifications what I am providing on my community tab. You will receive that. Sometimes there will be exit call will be there, sometimes there will be buy call will be there. So lot of information I am sharing, and also the membership plan. You can check the membership plans on other, and you can join here and you can check the membership plans, the rates, and also what are the services I am providing, and you will get instant reply. That means the priority reply you will get it, and also you will get multi-bagger stocks, and also you will get the exit call based on the criteria. That means the category of membership you are going to take. You can refer to the membership options. You will receive many services, exclusive service through the membership options. There are Elite membership, Emerald membership, and the Ruby membership. So you can access to that, and you can subscribe that, and you can once you subscribe the membership, there will be option to change it. You can upgrade or downgrade that. So anytime from your tab. And please don't forget to share the videos. Don't forget to share the channel to your friends, colleagues, and the relatives. And please don't forget to share the videos. Once if you like means, if please like it. In case if you are having any queries or comment, please don't forget to write it on my comment box. Surely I will try my best to reply to that. So thank you very much for watching this video. So this tutorial will be very informative, and I am sure that this channel will provide this kind of unique information to you, and there is a huge effort behind this. So I need your complete support. So kindly wait for the next volume number 2. So we are having total 26 volumes. So thank you so much.